Hi, my name is Viridiana, and I'll be talking about participatory culture and this week's readings. Let's begin. First of all, participatory culture is, according to Henry Jenkins, a culture where we make media as well as consuming it. Some of its main characteristics are that it has low barriers to artistic expression and civil engagement. It has a strong support for creating and sharing creations with others online. Number three, some type of informal mentorship is actually included where the most experienced are actually passing along information and tips to novices. Members who believe that their contributions matter is also a key idea to participatory culture, and also members must feel some degree of social connection with one another through this or through any online platforms. Along with participatory culture, come a wide variety of new skills that are included, such as play and having the capacity to experiment with surroundings as a form of problem solving, performance, simulation, interpreting and constructing dynamic models of real-world processes, multitasking, appropriation, distributed cognition, which is the ability to interact meaningfully with tools that expand mental capacities. Collective intelligence, as this is a participatory culture of many people, so many people coming together and networking as well. So along with participatory culture come a lot of benefits, as we can see, and yet there is a misconception that being online and using these online social platforms is actually not helpful to the students, and that's why this is separated from what we learn academically in school. Anthropologist Mimi Ito talks more on this topic, and her main point is that why do we assume that socializing and play is not a side of learning? And that's why socializing and play is out of the classroom. And she claims that using the online world as environments to develop special interest is a great characteristic of participatory culture, because not only are you learning academic subjects at school, but they also deny participatory culture, and they don't like the use of cooperating because it's not really independent work as they would like it to be. So when you're outside of school, you go and you use the online world to develop special interests that are interesting to you. So she talks about geeking out, messing around online, which is interest driven. Anything that you may be interested in, you can go online, check it out, learn more about it. And it's actually kind of disappointing that teachers are not using these platforms to push students into learning more about their interests. And another one is social, so it's very friendship driven. This includes platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, anywhere where students can socialize after school hours. And Mimi Ito talks about us needing to understand the differences between online activities, because parents usually scold their children for being on the phone or being too long, or not doing enough with their free time and just being on their phone. But it's very important to understand what your child is doing and how this is actually benefiting them. It's necessary to understand what learning is going on through these online activities, because even though it might seem like your child is just playing on their iPad and making videos of I don't know, let's say blogging what he did over winter break, the child is actually learning what or how to make videos, how to do all of this. And in my opinion, participatory culture is a great idea, because students are learning how to do things outside of class on their own without any real any real expectations from someone. They're just doing it on their own. They're going out and they're researching, they're learning about anything that they're interested in. And I think teachers should take advantage of this and implement it in their classroom in order to have a better engaged classroom that is actually wanting to learn. Thank you guys.